AI video generation is evolving at a breakneck pace, and Elai.io is positioning itself as a major player for corporate training and development. But is it the right tool for your workflow? Today, we're doing a deep dive into Elai.io to see if it actually delivers on its promises. Essentially, Elai.io is an AI-powered platform designed to turn text or presentations into professional-looking videos using digital avatars. Recently acquired by Panopto, Elai has sharpened its focus on the L&D sector, making it a specialized engine for corporate knowledge sharing. One of its standout features is the ability to upload a PowerPoint or PDF and instantly convert it into a narrated video slides. The AI automatically maps your slide text to a script and assigns an avatar to present it, saving hours of manual editing. The platform offers a library of over 80 high-quality human avatars to choose from, covering various styles and professional looks. A unique addition is the multi-avatar dialogue feature, perfect for creating interview-style content or interactive training scenarios. Voice and language support are extensive, with over 75 languages and 450 unique voices available. It also supports voice cloning in 28 languages, allowing you to use a digital version of your own voice for your avatars. If you have a blog post or a script, the AI storyboard tool can generate a full video structure, selecting relevant stock footage for you. Elai goes beyond passive video by integrating quizzes and clickable buttons directly into the player to track learner comprehension. Starting with the pros, the ease of use is a major selling point. The interface is intuitive, even for those with zero video editing experience. Cost efficiency is another win. Compared to some industry giants, Elai offers a lower barrier to entry for small businesses and individuals. The production time savings are real. What used to take months of planning and recording can now be finished in just a few days. However, there are some cons. While the avatars are photorealistic, the lip syncing can occasionally feel a bit unnatural or uncanny. The avatars are also relatively static. A lack of expressive body language can make longer videos feel less engaging over time. Rendering times can also be slow. It often takes significantly longer to render the final file than the actual duration of the clip itself. Keep in mind that high-end features like 4K resolution and custom avatars are locked behind more expensive pricing tiers. So who should use Elai.io? It's ideally suited for corporate training, onboarding, and educational content where speed is a priority. If your goal is to produce high volumes of informative internal content without a film crew, this is a strong contender. Small businesses and startups looking for a cost-effective way to enter the AI video space will also find it very accessible. My final verdict, Elai.io is a powerful specialized tool that excels in corporate learning environments. It prioritizes workflow efficiency and affordability over absolute visual perfection or complex avatar performance. If you can look past the minor lip sync issues, the time and cost savings make it a very practical investment for most businesses. Check out the link in the description for the full detailed review. Thanks for watching.